The future of microscopy is here in 2025. With cutting-edge technology and precision, which microscope is truly worth your investment? Today, we're diving into the top 5 microscopes of 2025, where you'll discover ultimate clarity, power, and innovation. Stick around till the very end because our number 1 pick might just exceed your expectations. Let's get started and explore the future together. Number 1. 3.5 to 200x Simul-Focal Stereo Trinocular Microscope. The 3.5 200x Simul-Focal Stereo Trinocular Microscope set is designed for precision and clarity in detailed observations. Featuring a simulfocal optical system, this microscope allows you to view through both the eyepiece and the camera simultaneously. Equipped with a 4K, 2K, 1080p HDMI, VGA, USB, and TF video output, it offers high-definition imaging for real-time monitoring. The 3.5x 200x magnification provides versatility, making it ideal for various tasks like PCB inspection, electronics repair, and biological research. The clamp, extension-type base ensures stability and flexibility, allowing you to position the microscope in different work environments. Perfect for professionals, this microscope set provides accurate and clear visuals for a variety of intricate tasks. Number 2. 48 mm 2K 4K Stereo Trinocular Microscope set for phone soldering and PCB repair. The 1080p 48 mm 2K 4K HDMI USB VGA video camera 50x100x Simul-Focal Stereo Trinocular Microscope set is designed for high-precision tasks like phone soldering, PCB repair, and electronics inspection. With 50x100x magnification, it provides excellent detail for micro-soldering and intricate work. The Simul-Focal optical system allows for simultaneous viewing through both the eyepiece and the camera, ensuring real-time high-definition visuals. Equipped with a 48-megapixel video camera and 4K to 1080p HDMI USB VGA output, this microscope delivers crystal-clear imaging. Ideal for professional technicians and hobbyists, it is perfect for PCB inspection, electronics troubleshooting, and other detailed tasks. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during long work sessions, providing precise and reliable performance for high-end repairs. Number 3. RF4 New Trinocular Microscope. The RF4 New Trinocular Microscope head offers a 6.5 to 65x magnification range with simulfocal continuous zoom, allowing for seamless viewing through both the eyepiece and the camera. Equipped with WF10x 23mm eyepieces, it provides a wide field of view for detailed observation, making it perfect for phone soldering, PCB inspection, and other fine precision tasks. This stereo microscope is ideal for professional use, offering superior clarity and depth of field for intricate work. The continuous zoom function gives users flexibility to adjust magnification effortlessly, while the trinocular design allows for easy camera integration for live imaging. Perfect for electronics repair, laboratory applications, and research, this microscope ensures accuracy and comfort for extended sessions, enhancing productivity in every task. Number 4. 3.5x 90x Simul-Focal Stereo Trinocular Microscope. The 3.5x 90x Simul-Focal Stereo Trinocular Microscope is built for PCB and phone soldering repair, offering high-precision imaging with a simulfocal optical system that enables simultaneous viewing through the eyepiece and camera. Equipped with a 48-megapixel digital video camera, it supports 4K, 2K, and 1080p output via HDMI and USB, ensuring crystal-clear real-time visuals. The 3.5x 90x magnification provides detailed observation for micro-soldering, electronics repair, and fine inspection tasks. Designed for professionals, it offers continuous zoom, sharp image quality, and an ergonomic structure for long working hours. Ideal for laboratories, repair workshops, and industrial applications, this trinocular microscope enhances accuracy and efficiency for intricate soldering and inspection processes. Number 5. RF6565 PRD2 9-speed microscope with large aluminum base. The RF6565D2 microscope features a durable aluminum alloy large base for stability and precision. With 9-speed variable magnification, it offers enhanced flexibility for detailed observations. The locking knob mechanism ensures steady focus and prevents accidental adjustments. Designed for a large field of vision, this microscope provides clear, high-resolution imaging, making it ideal for electronics repair, PCB soldering, and precision inspection tasks. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, while the high-quality optics deliver sharp, accurate visuals. Perfect for professionals in research labs, repair workshops, and industrial applications, the RF6565 PRO2 microscope is built for precision and efficiency. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.